right, if you ever want to display something, check out the spotlight. All right, now it's adjustable. All right, you can move it any direction you want, and this is perfect if you have a painting, or maybe like you're like me and collects a lot of these statues, figurines, and so forth, and all retro stuff that I want to display. When somebody comes in, this is the first thing they're gonna see. Now, I do have a couple of 3D prints that I printed out, but they don't stand out because it's a little dark in my room, and these are perfect to actually set up on a spotlight. Not just 3D prints, but any figurines. All right, so I got my figurines here, and this guy, I want to display this guy right here. He's a beautiful little Godzilla. I want to put the spotlight here so people come in. That's the first thing I'm gonna see. So let's go ahead and set that up. Check it out, guys. Look at the shadow of it. So I could put this any position I want, make it longer, get to display more, but I'm gonna leave it like that pretty much. So when you come in, it's all dark, except for this one guy. I like that you can move the spotlight a little, adjust it to the higher level. You guys can see that. And then of course, you got your off and on button. So when you don't need it, you can turn it on. So this is gonna stand out. The others are too dark. This is what I want the people to see when they come in. If you want portraits, paintings, or figurines, perfect spotlight for it.